Hi guys, good day. I will introduce you. This jeep is good condition. Water, cooling system is already checked. Lights, it's already checked. Tirahan nyo na, baka tirahan pa to ng iba. Tulad nyo ng pagmamahal, pag-ibig ng tao. The one who love us will miss us. Mas mabuti nang mauna kaysa maunahan ka. 4-wheel drive. The engine is 4DR6 turbo.